Warning, this video contains controversial facts, so I want to make sure you proceed at your own risk, because this Traeger Pro Series 780 wood-fired grill, you'll never have to use gas or charcoal again. This is the original. The 780 is going to be connected to your internet in your home, and you're going to have this thing on your smartphone, and you'll be able to control your grill from just about anywhere. It's a 6-in-1 versatility. They're the market leader in pellet grills, and boy, they do a great job at marketing, okay? The D2 drivetrain starts quicker, heats up faster, plus puts out better quality smoke. That's right, smoke. Set it and forget it. The hopper, the controller, the auger, the fire pot, and the fan. All those things. Built in for large family cooking. Now this is inside a house. Don't put this thing inside your house and light it up because of carbon monoxide. Easy to use, all right? Push a button, set it, bam. Get reliable results. Just set it and forget it. Grill at ease, grill smarter. Control your temperature up to 450 degrees. Monitor the internal temperature, set a timer. The customers are just loving this. All kinds of great reviews. Check out that way the chicken is hung up there, upside down, the chicken legs. Now hold on, wait, don't want to miss out on this, because if you're deciding to buy this, or even if you don't want to buy this, there's a special bonus valued at over $297. It's free stuff that I'm going to give you as a thank you. It's super easy. All you need to do to get your bonuses is add this Amazon product, which is in the link below. Add it to your cart. You don't need to buy it, just add the product. Click on the link in the description, add it to your cart. You don't need to buy it. Then, in the description, leave a comment. One word like, wow, barbecue, chicken, fun, any of that stuff. Then after you're done with that, go down a little bit farther. You're going to see another link, georgepauly.com/bonuses. You go there, and then your bonuses will be waiting for you. Now it's your turn. Go ahead, click the link in the description. Do it now. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.